Once again, good day everyone and welcome to Bisdak Princess Channel, your English Filipino Bisaya translator. For today's Bisdak Lesson 101, let us talk about how to say I love you in Filipino and Bisaya since February 14 is fast approaching. Okay, let us start in English. We say I love you. In Filipino, we say mahal kita. And in Bisaya, we can say gihigugma taka. Or you can also say gihigugma ko ikaw. Again, in English, we say I love you. In Filipino, we say mahal kita. And in Bisaya, we can say gihigugma taka or gihigugma ko ikaw. I love you. Mahal kita. Gihigugma taka. Or you can say, gihigugma ko ikaw. For more translations to come, like and subscribe to Bisdak Princess Channel. For updates and if you have some words to be translated, just comment below.